These double smash burgers are crispy, juicy, and loaded with flavor, from buttery shallots to a creamy garlic mayo. Hey there, Chef Noah here in the Beef It's What's for Dinner Culinary Center, funded by the Beef Checkoff. Let's sling some smash burgers. All right, I pre-cut some shallots to kind of save us some time. And then I got my griddles preheated. You're welcome to use your outdoor griddle, works great. Keeps a little bit of the smoke out of your house. I got some butter we're gonna drop down. It looks like a good amount, but we have a ton of shallots here. We're gonna soak up all of that. Gonna let those cook. I got some fresh thyme that we're gonna drop on there. You're welcome to chop this if you want. I like to just pull it right off the stem. And I try to do two different zones. I got a little cooler back here for the shallots, and then a little warmer for our burgers we're gonna do right there. All right, I have some ground beef that I've rolled into some balls that we're gonna throw on the grill. I've done quarter-pound patties, so each burger will get 2, so that's a nice little half-pound burger for everyone. So we're just gonna throw those right on. Then the fun part of smashing these bad boys. You want to get them as thin as you can, just to help with that caramelization. Get a nice press on those. Obviously, the bigger the griddle, the better off you'll be. All right, so we're going to season these up with some salt and pepper. Feel free to just do one burger if you need. This is kind of my portion, so if you're not into that big of a burger, just go ahead and do one. And now our shallots are getting nice and caramelized. That thyme's got built in there. Now we're just gonna pile these up. And all this flavor is just gonna cook right in those burgers. And don't be skimpy with the shallots. Trust me. They get sweeter the more they cook, so. You see how we're kind of scraping that off? That's all that flavor. We're gonna do that. Press them right into those shallots there. All right, look at all that yummy goodness. All right, these are almost ready to go. We're gonna flip these burgers with all those shallots. Cheese. So we're gonna throw, I like 2 pieces of cheese. You're welcome to put 1 if you like. You can put 3 if you like. So I turned my heat kind of low. We'll let that slowly melt, and we're gonna toast the bun. All right, I got some butter. And I kind of press those just to get them a little better toast. All right, I'm making a quick garlic mayo. I have some Japanese style mayo. Feel free to use your favorite mayo. I just like this one because it's a little bit richer, a little more egg to it. I got some granulated garlic and some onion powder. I'm just gonna whip that together real quick, and that's gonna go on our burger. Now for my favorite part, we're gonna build some burgers. Remember, we're getting 2 burgers per bun, so I got 4 buns. We're gonna hit that with the mayo we just made. Don't go too heavy, just a nice smear. We're gonna do top and bottom. Again, light smear. All right, and then we got some bib lettuce we're gonna drop down on the bottom, just to add a little cool crunch. Always good on a burger. Take our beauty there. And we're gonna do another burger right on top. And then, of course, if you're making a burger, you need some pickles on there. So pick out your favorites. We like nice dill here. And then what goes on top? That bun. All right, take a look at that bad boy. There you have it, our double smash burger, a definite winner. For more beefy recipes, go to beefitswhatsfordinner.com.